It took me only 5 minutes to create more than 50 social media content pieces. I will teach you how to use Chat GPT, which is an artificial intelligence bot, in your advantage and create a lot of social media content easily in just a few clicks. So let's go. You can get to the Chat GPT by clicking the first link in description. All the links will be in description, so don't worry there. So step 1, open chat.openai.com. You will get here. It will probably tell you to sign up. Everything is free, don't worry. When you get in, we will write a prompt, which is an instruction to ChatGPT to what we want to write. So I will write something along this. So as you can see, I wrote a prompt. Please write 30 pieces of social media content, not more than 30 words long, on the subject of affiliate marketing, using facts and statistics and exciting and persuasive tone. So basically, the more information you give it, the better the answer is. Of course, he did that. It did that. So what we are going to do now with this is very nice. If you want to read one of them, it uses a lot of numbers. So want to increase website traffic, try affiliate marketing. It's effective for 94% of the marketers. Or affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry. Why not get a piece of the pie? So if I say subject of affiliate marketing using less known facts, it will generate totally different ideas. But you are now getting, if you are posting one post a day, for example, on Instagram, which we will use here in the example, this is 30 days of content in like 2 minutes, 1 minute. So I will now copy this whole 30 pieces of content and I will go into the Google spreadsheet and simply I will paste this in here. So we have our 30 pieces of content. And I will put my channel name here, just have it like this. I know, I will show you in a minute why. So when you do this, when you're done with this, what we will do is file, download, and you need to download this as a comma separated values. And this will download to your computer, so we can use it later. So next step, go to Canva again. Canva is free, but if you want to use apps like this, I think you need a pro account. There is a link in my description below. You can get Canva. I think it's $3 or $4 a month, but I'm not sure if this is free or not, but let's see what to do next. So go to Canva and we will create a new Instagram post. So search for Instagram, I will use square, and Canva will open templates on the left side. I will now choose the template I like this one, and I will change this image to I had my image uploaded somewhere here, and I will put it, you just drag and drop it here, and here it is. So what we want to do now is take our 30 pieces of content and automatically create it here and put it on this template. Yes, totally automatically. Let me show. We will not use this piece, so I will delete it. So we will use, this is the content and this is my channel name, if you remember. So if you go on the left side all the way down, you have apps, and under apps you have bulk create. Click on that, and as you can see, you can enter data manually or upload a comma separate value file. So we will upload what we downloaded here, open, and it will identify 2 data fields. One is the title and one is the actual content. So when we want to connect this to the data on the template, you right click on the place here and click on connect data and select which data will be connected to this part. Pretty slick. And we will do the same for the name of the channel. So this is, let me just do this so it fits. And this is it. When you now click continue, it will recognize all of the data that we have selected, and we can click generate 29 pages. And after that, you can see that you have now 30 Instagram posts with the data from Chat GPT in like less than 5 minutes of work. Of course, you can in Canva you can resize this to make some other posts. You can use this to make I don't know, video thumbnails or whatever. So ChatGPT is not just a tool to play with artificial intelligence, it's a very powerful tool to create social media content in bulk with Canva, which is an awesome tool. It's worth every cent. I'm paying it for like 2 years already, and I create everything in Canva, even the TikTok videos I created in Canva, but that's the subject for some other video. Please subscribe and like this video because I am making a lot of videos, daily shorts and everything on this channel, and see you on the other side.